Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is gonna be a quick video. I'm going to be showing you how you can take out your messy locks, distress locks, all that locks, soft locks. So I mean, it looked like it's gonna be hard because it's messy, but it's really not hard, and you're going to see how. So before you start, you kind of know where your natural hair stops, right? So of course you're not gonna cut it right where your natural hair stops because you probably don't know how long your hair grew. So you kind of just cut it a little bit further away from your where you think your natural hair stops. And then all I'm going to do is just pull the hair. At some point you might, you might meet some tangling or some type of, it's going to be hard for you to like just, unravel, but that is when you use your hand and like separate the hair from your natural hair, and then you use your scissors. So it's good to do this part like, in the mirror if you're not sure which one is your hair. But yeah, all you just do is unravel it, and then it's going to unravel itself. So imagine the black thing that you can see, the black hair that you can see, imagine that to be your natural hair. And you're going to see how I'm going to separate my natural hair from the actual from the extension here. And then if I feel like it's hard for me to unravel, I'm just gonna cut it, because sometimes it's easier for you to unravel, the hair when it's shorter. When it's longer, it's kind of hard for you to unravel it. So I'm gonna do this with this color, and I'm also gonna take out the blonde that you can see, the 613. I'm gonna take that one out as well. So yeah, that's all I'm going to do, and that is exactly how you take off your what they call it, your messy locks. Also, you don't really need like any extra like comb or anything, but in case you do, at some point you might need it. And then in the next slide, or in the next takeout that you're gonna see me do, I'm going to end up using like a comb to take it off, because sometimes again you might meet some tangly, stuff that might just be too messy, and you kind of need like the extra help with the comb, and that's when you end up using it. So it's not that if anything, I think this is like easier for me to take out than braids. So one thing I would say is that before you take out your locks, I usually say this for even any hairstyle, it's always good for you to wash your hair first, just so the dirt that you have at the roots can be dissolved. But most especially for locks, I would say it's good for you to wash it like a day before, like days before you take it out, just so it's easier for you to when you take it off, you have to like braid take out the braids or the twists that they crochet your hair into, just so your hair does not fall off and you don't lose that much hair. But you should be fine. Just make sure again you cut it where you think your hair stops, and then just unravel. So for this one, you're going to see me use the comb, because I will need that extra help, because it's kind of tangly. Again, it's messy locks, it's distress locks, so it's meant to be that way, but it's still, you can still take it out. So now it's hard for me to unravel. I'm going to go ahead and cut it, and then just keep unraveling. And that's exactly how you take it off. There is no magic to it. So yeah, so I hope this helps somebody, or hope this helps. And thank you for watching my video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see any other tricks, any other things, just let me know, and I will always try to make a video about it. Again, you don't have to be as aggressive as I am. As you can see right now, I'm a little aggressive with this, mannequin, just because, again, I'm just trying to show you guys how to take it out. But you don't want to be aggressive with yours, because you don't want your hair to fall off, okay? So yeah, be gentle, but it's still very, very doable.